Hello, folks. This is Stan Porter. I'm going to try to answer this question. I've answered it before, so if this seems like a repeat, um, I apologize. But it has to do with the right hand rule. Okay, so here we go. Left hand, right hand. Okay, right hand rule. Now, when you draw these field lines, you usually draw many, many field lines in order to figure out where the field is going, right? And what it looks like. Well, you've got many fingers. Point your fingers in the direction of the field line. Okay. So now, if it's into the screen, right there, wait a minute, I got to figure out where the camera is. Okay. Into the screen, I'm pointing my fingers at you, but from my perspective, I'm pointing them into the screen. Okay, north. I'm just going to make up a coordinate system. North is up, and north is up. You look up there, and it spells we. West and east, we. And if you voice it the wrong way, it goes EW. And I said, Yaki. Okay, south is behind you, of course. Now you could choose a different way of putting this together. As long as when you're facing north, west and east spell we, you're good to go. Okay. Um, Top of the page, bottom of the page, into the page, out of the page. That's pretty self-explanatory, I think. And if it's not self-explanatory, let me know. Oh my goodness, let me know. All right. So many field lines. I'm going to point my fingers in the direction of the field lines. Okay. I'm just going to do like this. Okay. Now, motion. Yeah, if you're out there walking along and you see cars driving by and everything like that, I don't recommend this. This is not a recommendation. But back when I was your age, I could throw out a thumb here and I could hitch a ride. So that's the motion. Okay, so you got a particle, I got field lines and I got motion. Now I just got to line those up. Okay, I got to line those up. Let's say it's into the page and the motion is, oh, let's give it something ridiculous. Like it's off to my right, which is this direction. Okay, so I'm having to do a bunch of physics yoga here. Okay, physics yoga into the page, field lines into the page, motion off to the right. I'm not even sure which way this is looking for you guys because I think the video reverses it. Okay, now where is the force? Where is the force? I'm going to continue moving around here. I see my palm is facing upward. Now you can high five somebody. Where's the force? It comes out of your palm, perpendicular out of the palm. Motion, field lines, force. It works every time. Okay, you got a carrying wire. It's carrying it downward. Okay, where is it going? It's going down. Put your thumb in that direction. Curl your fingers. Oh, the field curls around this way. Aha! Okay, and so then at that point you have to figure out, okay, what side of the wire am I on? Okay, so if I'm on this side of the wire, the field's going this way. If I'm on that side of the wire, the field's going that way. Okay. But and then you use the right hand rule the way I showed you before. Okay. Circular wire carrying current in this direction. I'm gonna take my thumb. I'm gonna come along there, and I'm gonna curl my fingers so that it goes into the loop. The field line goes from top to bottom through the center of the loop. And so in the other direction, I'm curling my thumb around this way, and this is the way my fingers curl. It's going up. Okay. I hope that helps. And let me go ahead and stop this and post